All right, so got today. Today I gotta tackle this plumbing. I have to finish it, but before I tell you my dilemma here, is I'm gonna crawl under here. I'm gonna crawl under here and show you what's going on. So typically, when you plumb the back of these sinks, you don't have any room. And so what I did is I added 2 inches to my countertop. For that reason, I didn't want to be fighting with this stuff. So if you see, when I go in here, I got all kinds of room. I could put a crescent wrench in there. I could stick my hand in there. Yep, all kinds of room. And that was done by design. Let's see, let me get down here, like that. I don't know how to do this. I put a dab of caulking there. I put a dab of caulking there. And I'll put a dab of caulking there. And that's how I grab this sink. It's got no clamps. Way in there. I don't know if you can see the 2 little holes. There's some holes. Way. I think there's some holes right there so you can put some clamps. Same over here. But I don't know. Maybe there isn't. You know what? Maybe I'm just smoking. Maybe I'm smoking crack. Anyways, all right. Oh. So then the other issue that I had was that when let's see here. When I took the other sink out and I put this sink in, this sink is a little bit wider. So then this piece right here, I just had to put a little longer piece. And then the biggest problem that I'm having is what I did last time is I had this guy, I glued it. I'm not a plumber, so I just glued it. And I like the idea of being able to take the trap off. And I've seen some guys, they actually glue it. And I just, God, I don't know. So I cut it off. And then there's the other problem is that when you're cutting this, it's just, I mean, you can cut it all kinds of different ways. Or you can come in with, hold on. It took me all night to find this tool. I just barely bought it and then I couldn't find it. So you just wrap this guy around there and you just start ratcheting. And this thing cuts like butter. I mean, takes about 30 seconds, maybe less. So here's the other problem. This guy and this guy, they don't go together. This guy is this guy, and this guy doesn't slide into there. And if you put one of these guys, it doesn't slide in there, and it definitely doesn't slide over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this guy and I'm gonna glue it right there. And then I'm gonna take another one of these and I'm gonna glue it down here. And then I'm gonna put this in between. And that's how I'm gonna take my trap off. And I should be done. So, and then this doesn't line up. So the way I'm gonna line this up, you know, I took geometry 3 times. I think I flunked it 3 times. I don't know why. I can't do it on paper. But in real life, I'm a geometry pro. I'm really good at angles and shit. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this pipe back, and that'll separate this. It'll pull it back, and then I can just move it and anyways. I don't know. Let's see if I can do this. So here we go. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sneak up on it. So I'm gonna cut it right there. Goodness. I can't get in there. I can't get in there. And I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one. And I think I almost got it perfect. I might have to cut another 1/4 inch, I guess. So I guess I could probably take this guy, put it here. All right, let's do this. Yeah, I don't really like plumbing. Plumbing sucks. It's like, the problem with plumbing is how many trips do I gotta make to Home Depot? So far right now, I've done 3. And every time I go to Home Depot, God, I can't open this. That's an hour out of my day. Gotta drive over there. Gotta park. God, I can't open this stupid thing. I can't open it. What is going on? How do I open it? I gotta go get some pliers. All right. I guess I can dry fit it. Fuck it. So this is gonna go here. This is gonna go here. And then I'm going to, let's see. This guy is gonna go here. Wow, I can't take it out. I'm gonna cut this a little bit. Oh, come on. take this to the sander. Okay, this sucks. All right, I'm gonna go take this to the sander, and I gotta go get some pliers to open this. So I guess you guys ain't gonna get to see what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna turn the phone off.